this might just be crazy as fuck.
Yeah, you remember how the last one ended?
Yeah, I'm about to say. I was wondering what was gonna happen, and I didn't even know it was going to be the next episode.
Mm-hmm. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're watching Chainsaw Man episode 9. What you gotta say, Kevin? What you gotta say, bro?
The last episode was pretty crazy, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully we get to resume from that and see the rest of the craziness. I feel like something crazy about to happen with Aki. And I have my thoughts on like what's gonna happen next in the show, but I just gotta see it, bro.
You should let them know at the end of the episode. I don't know where this show's going.
Yeah, go ahead. We just gotta see it.
Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos all around. She really vanished.
No, that was actually, see, I remember that happening.
Mm-hmm.
These graphics look even crazier, like, just being on this laptop.
Yeah.
What spirit was that thing? The ghost
spirit.
You know, she got the same thing just like Aki when she called the snake.
Yeah.
Just talking to this man, Denji.
Yeah. Like, she really took the time.
No, she definitely got the same thing. And all that cost was a freaking fingernail. That's crazy. Yo.
Well, that is a lot.
That one's worse than... That one might, yeah, be worse than his wolf.
No, it's definitely worse than the wolf. It's definitely.
Didn't they just destroy his wolf actually?
I don't know if he's dead for good or what. Could be though.
He's about to go crazy.
She left. She's still alive.
No, she not.
Oh, yeah.
No, she not. But she did the right thing. Yo, they're all scared of him, bro.
Yeah. Welcome to the channel. They are scared.
They all be scared. Bro, you gotta turn this up, bro.
This is as loud as it goes.
So that was clean.
I think the show really turns up this after this.
You can't even see what they're saying.
Chainsaw versus Machete.
I knew this was gonna be crazy, bro.
He's so pissed. Did they say what his name was?
So, I just remember it was a dude from the shot who was shooting him.
Yeah. You can't even keep going if he doesn't eat him.
They're using you for your blood. Bro, they're using guns, bro. Never mind. That nigga Denji is not going for none of that.
You cut yourself.
Dang! Why do you think he was weak? Oh, he picked him up. That was worse than what's his name, Deck. That was worse than what's his name getting smacked in his head.
Who?
Tanjiro.
Oh, yeah.
Nigga picked him up like an actual chainsaw.
No, that's funny. That is disrespectful, man.
So it just melts off.
So they're not humans.
And where's Aki at?
Probably still laying there.
That's the boy. Oh yeah.
And the coward girl. They really
yeah,
killed
they
all
did
of them.
die. Yeah.
They got real old. I think she's still alive. And they're just regular people. Told you. I knew she was not gonna die that quick.
I think she's something different.
Yeah. She's probably the same thing that they are.
Every anime they got like suits and like the people.
Huh?
Like the group of people wearing suits is always hard. Like, it's like an Tokyo Ghoul. They be killing the ghouls, bro, and using them as weapons, bro, and carrying them to suitcases, bro.
I seen that. That mom was,
yes, bro.
That was so wild.
That shit is crazy, bro. They're gonna see Makima. Tell me they're about to run into them.
Can he regenerate?
He has to eat blood, the blood. Oh, crazy shit though. That's the last person I need to be carrying. Cause if he wake up, he just gonna chop niggas.
It's not even in his uniform.
Yeah. Where's Aki? Damn.
That's some shit Gojo would do.
Damn. He said shut up.
You think it was crush people? She can watch them with the crow. Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, that's just a contract she has, bro. With one.
Is she gonna sacrifice people? Yeah, she's using the people as sacrifices.
No, but my thing is the people that saying the names aren't dying now. So what is that doing with them saying it?
They are dying.
Oh, they
ain't show them dying,
oh,
but they are dying. And she just has to look at them and then she can sacrifice people.
And she knows
like
all their names,
note. It's like
bro.
the death note. You like say the name and then they like die or some shit. And she's killing all the little ones first.
And they're just standing there.
What can they do though? She's just taking her time before she gets to them though.
All she's doing is just smushing them. What can you do?
Who are you even targeting?
This is gonna be wild. That happened right on her, bro. Like a water balloon. Yo, then you gonna wake up like, did I do that? Yo, they're shocked as fuck.
You're like, we're next. She really waited for them to be over. I mean, the last two.
She don't know y'all names. Don't tell me she had just.
She got 2 more sacrifices though.
Nah, I just don't think she wants them to see it. Yeah, that's what it is. They don't know what the fuck was going to happen. Yo, imagine if you were fighting an enemy and they were just getting smushed like that. Yo, every time I come back to this joke, it looks crazy.
I was like, you win, bro. You win.
They're scared as fuck. I really still don't feel like it's over for them. What the fuck?
Is that the girl? What is she about to do? So he defended her. And that knife. Is she actually nice?
Yo.
Okay.
He's cool.
Okay. I didn't know she was tough.
What was the purpose of doing that? Just to let them go. She did not need to do that shit with that crying ass shit she be on.
Yeah, I don't know why she was so sad if she was nice like that. That was hard though. But why?
She did not finish the job.
She was using my man as a shield.
Then she would have sliced them up.
Nah, I'm not trying to hear that.
She better give up the coochie.
Like,
she said the other nigga died, now it's time. So is he just a regular person then?
I guess. He needs his legs back.
Is that easy? I'm gonna start doing that in real life.
Where your remote go?
Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, he's gone. You know what your remote is?
No. Oh, I don't have. I had to use my phone because it died. But why?
You need a light back from the TV.
I don't know. I don't think the remote's gonna turn it back on. Because it was just on that time, like I had it, but I think it's something with the HDMI. I do, but the buttons won't change nothing. There was a couple of them alive though. Yeah, this ain't moving yet.
Hmm.
The remote, yeah, it's not moving the thing, it's the cord.
There it goes.
まどかくん、今までありがとう。これ渡しておくね。
マキマさん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
Yeah, it was alright. It was cool at first.
They didn't even show the nigga Aki anymore.
Fuck it. Let's watch some Vinland Saga. That's gonna be lit. Hope y'all enjoyed the episode. Like, comment, and subscribe.